In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom out in Chrome using two super easy methods. Whether a web page looks too big, you want more content on the screen, or you just accidentally zoomed in too far, this quick tutorial will help you fix it in seconds. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get started. The first method is the fastest one, and it uses your mouse. Open Google Chrome and go to any page you want to zoom out on. Then hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and scroll down with your mouse wheel. As you scroll down, you'll notice the page getting smaller and smaller. This gives you a smooth zoom out, and it works really well if you want to make tiny adjustments until the page looks perfect. If you go too far, just scroll up while still holding Ctrl to zoom back in a little. This shortcut is one of the easiest Chrome tricks to remember because it works instantly and doesn't require opening any menus. Now let's look at the second method from the Chrome menu. If you prefer using the browser controls, go to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. This opens the main settings menu. From there, look for the zoom option. You'll usually see a plus button, a minus button, and sometimes the current zoom percentage in the middle. To zoom out, click the minus button. Each click reduces the zoom level a little more, so you can keep clicking until the page looks comfortable. If you want to reset everything later, you can bring the zoom back to 100% using the same area. This menu method is great if your mouse doesn't have a scroll wheel or if you simply prefer clicking instead of using keyboard shortcuts. Both of these methods are quick, safe, and work on most websites in Chrome. Just remember that zooming out changes how big the page appears, but it doesn't change the actual website itself. That means you can always adjust it again whenever you need to. So if you ever find yourself asking how to zoom out in Chrome, now you have two easy ways to do it. Use Ctrl and scroll down for smooth zoom control, or open the three dots menu and click the minus button. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy Chrome tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.